Hello, so I am Laika J. Bahal from the LA Lab 3B. We're going to tackle about lesson 14, which is the ADDIE model. So, learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, students are expected to see how the ADDIE model fits into real teaching and learning. Second, use ADDIE model to plan a lesson or lesson plan step by step. And lastly, understand why each part matters, especially how it helps meet students' need. So, what is ADDIE model? So, it is a systematic approach to analysis design. So, yes, it is a systematic framework used by instructional designers and educators to create effective and efficient learning experiences. It also serves as a step-by-step sequence or a roadmap. So from analysis to design to development to implementation, and implementation to evaluation. So it is also, the ADDIE model also designed to be iterative process, meaning it means repeat. Magbalik-balik siya sa phases man na or stages man na ang katong 5, analysis, development, katong 5, pwede siya iterative siya, so makabalik siya adto nga mga stages. So yeah, especially sa every lesson after lesson na amjud na mga feedback. So adto nimo sa kanang feedback, ma-point out man jud na dira kung unsa ang imong sayop, unsay dapat i-improve. So mao nang through the feedback maka-visit ka balik sa katong mga phases, or basin na akay mahuna-hunaan nga new insights kanang ikahuman sa, like example, nanaka sa implementation, unya makahuna kag new ideas. So pwede pa nimo ma-edit, ma-refine nga na. So yeah, sa kuno din na siya through evaluation, during evaluation So while the linear order ni offers na siya clarity katong sa analysis to evaluation. So sa real world application mao na mura na siya ma-loop ganitanan. Like example, magbalik-balik na siya, handle na, and so on and so on. So mao na siya ang iterative process. It encourages continuous improvement. Okay, so for example of analysis, mo-conduct ka og survey to find out nga while ang students comfortable kay sila nagamit og mga social media, like especially ron nga mga times unya wala di ay sila they lack netiquette skills. So dapat na makuha jud na sa dapat jud na i-determine jud na sa analysis nga stage para makaibaw ka kung unsay dapat nimong itudlo sa mga bata. So yeah, for conclusion, through following the 5 phases or stages, which is the analysis, the design, the development, the implementation, and the evaluation. So educators and instructional designers can create well-organized learning programs that meet the needs of learners and achieve educational goals. So that's it for the lesson 14, which is the ADDIE model. And I hope you learned something. Thank you.